How to turn on and turn off autoplay audio on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off and turn off autoplay audio on REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you'll need to do is open up your REDnote app. Head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner, and then you will need to head over to the settings. To head over to the settings, look for this gear icon. It's right besides the edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon and now you're on the settings. Now before I teach you guys what to do next, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you're on the settings page, head over to general settings. After you're on the general settings, under function, you should find an option called autoplay audio on Note. Now the settings are different for Android and iOS users. So for Android users, you'll find autoplay audio on Note option. For iOS users, you'll find play note sound by default. Turn that on and basically you're good to go. Now if you want to turn it off, simply toggle that button off, and that is how you turn on and turn off autoplay audio on REDnote app. And yeah, that is basically all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.